guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eesha. So today I'm going to show you how to do makeup for Navratri. So I'm starting off with a clean base. I've already applied primer, moisturizer and all the jazz. I'm using Derma foundation. I swear by this foundation. You dance, you sweat a lot, this foundation will not move from its place. It's that effective. Now I'm using Ben Nye concealer to brighten my under eye, bridge of the nose and forehead. So while you wait what I'm going to say next, let's do a really nice work by subscribing to my channel. Press the bell icon, like and share this video with your friends and family. Okay, now the next thing is to contour your face wherever it is required and then blend it properly. Set your face with any translucent powder. Now I'm using Benefit Car Brows. I'm using MAC pot paint as a eye primer all over my lids. Now I'm using MAC constructivist paint pot into my crease line. Now take a deeper brown shade and place it into the crease line. And then take any pigment you like. I am taking green one as my outfit is green, and I'm placing it all over my eyelid and then blend it with your brown eyeshadow. Take a coal and place it into your lower lash line and smudge it with same green eyeshadow. Now make a wing liner. Finish it off with a good lots of mascara. Now I'm using Makeup Revolution contour palette to contour my cheeks. I am adding color back to my face by using Ben Nye blush palette. Now I'm using Huda Beauty highlight palette to highlight my high points. Finish your look with nude lipstick. Now for a traditional touch to the face, add some dots near your eye to make some pattern. I hope you guys got it because I don't know how to explain this thing to you.